Namaskar, I'm Priyanka, co-founder Inner Journeys, and today I'm making this video to talk about Angel Healing course, the level 1 specifically, and also why you need to learn Angel Healing first if you want to do or learn Akashic Record Healing. So there are basically three things that we help you learn in the level 1 of Angel Healing course, which is a certified course offered by Inner Journey School of Soul Sciences. In level 1, the first thing that we help you do is to connect with your guardian angel. We have seen and we believe that we're all born with a power animal, and then we are all born with a guiding angel, a guardian angel, and a spirit guide. They are basically assigned to us or are with us to help us learn the lessons of our lives, to give us the wisdom that we require to navigate in our life journey. And sometimes when we need an extra help, so then we can call upon the angels or our guides to help us. So this is only going to happen when you are actually connected with your spirit guides or with your guardian angels. So in angel healing, we help you connect with your guardian angels specifically. And with them, how will you now interact with them? So for that, there are three divination tools that we teach you. One is pendulum dowsing that I have spoken about in my previous video. The second one is auto writing. Auto writing is something that you can do once you know who is your guardian angel that we help you meet and interact with in the course. Then once you're connected with your guardian angel, the next thing is to get the information or the guidance or the wisdom that you require for a particular situation from your angels. So now how will you do that? Either you will close your eyes, meditate and talk to the angels, or you will just invoke them so that they can hold your hand and help you write down the information or get you the download of the information, the wisdom or the answers for your questions that you require, right? So for that, we help you connect with your guardian angels, and once you're connected with them, it is so divine, or it's like a magical experience where you actually feel that your angels are holding your hand and helping you write down the guidance that you require or the answers that you require for your specific questions. And you get a lot of clarity about things once you're connected with the angels and you do auto writing. So like for example, if you have a question that should I choose this particular career path or not, so you can just write that question, and once you're connected with your angels, you can do an auto writing where they will help you find the answers for that specific question. Now the second thing is angel card reading. So there are lots of decks available on Amazon or Flipkart or other online shopping websites. You can pick the cards of your choice, the cards that you connect with, and the purpose of learning angel card reading is to get the divine guidance through the cards. So when you do the course, I teach you how to energize your cards, how to read your cards, how to connect with them and find appropriate answers. Sometimes it's just that you wake up in the morning and you're feeling a little lost or confused, and you may just pick up, draw your cards and find the guidance that will help you go through the day. It will also help you because it's a certification course where you will be learning angel healing not just for yourself, but you can help others also by invoking angels and by the divine guidance that you get. So you can use the pendulum, you can use auto writing, you can use angel card reading and help your clients or your friends or your family get the guidance that they need, maybe for their relationships, for their work, their career, or for their education, or maybe they want to know specifically how to deal with a particular situation or a person. So this is how once you connect with angels, they help you in various aspects of your life. And with these three tools of healing or your connection with the divine can actually help you navigate through various say difficulties or confusions, or they can help you clear the confusions that you're having in your life. Now people have been asking me that why do I need to do Angel 1, the level 1, to go to level 2, where you teach Akashic record reading. So for Akashic record reading, it is important that you know how to connect with your angels or higher beings, for a simple reason that it's a very sacred space, the Akashic library, where you go and access the Akashic records, your records or somebody else's records. It's a very sacred space, and you need to have permission and full support of your angels to go and access that space there. And also, after accessing the space, it is not just enough to read the records. You need to have a complete clarity. For that, you need auto writing, so that you don't miss even a single detail that you have say observed or you have seen in the Akashic library, and you can write it down properly, so that you have a clarity of things. And if you have further questions, you can again connect with the guides and get the answers. And reading Akashic records is not just enough. You need more. Okay, fine, you know that this is what is the reason behind the issues that I'm facing right now. This is the karmic baggage that I'm carrying. But then you need to heal that as well. And for that, you need the help of angels to help you heal those lifetimes, or help you heal the trauma that you have experienced, or heal the karmas that you have done in those past lives, so that you can get a solution for your issues in this lifetime. So that is why we have designed this course like in a very comprehensive manner. We want you to get all the tools that are required to actually go out and then be a healer yourself, an angel healer yourself, and bear the light and help many more people heal. So if you have further more queries about angel healing certification course, you can write to us. And yes, if you want to connect with angels, you want to heal yourself, you want to feel the magic in your life, you want to transform your life, and you want to help somebody else heal, maybe you want to become a professional who can help others heal, then you must try the course and enroll yourself. I'll be soon holding a workshop of Angel Healing Level 1. In that, I'll be teaching you various divination tools that can help you connect with angels. And then, of course, it's a certification course. So after level 1, you will have to submit 5 case studies. And once you pass that, I'm satisfied that you know it enough. Then you can enroll yourself for level 2. And then you can become a practitioner and spread the light and love that angels will give you. Thank you so much for watching.